Hi viewers, welcome to Shaker's Bio Factory for NEET Principles of Inheritance and Variations with the NEET Previous Year MCQs from 2013 and 2016 to 2020. If you like this video, subscribe my channel and click on bell icon to get notifications. Like, follow and share my videos to your students and friends to get more information in biology related to NEET and other national state level competitive exams. In this video, I am going to explain the NEET previous year MCQs from 2013 and 2016 to 2020. The first question is, which of the following statement is not true of two genes that shows 50% recombination frequency from NEET 2013? The first option, the genes may be on different chromosomes. Second option, the genes are tightly linked. Third option, the genes shows independent assortment. And fourth option, if the genes are present on the same chromosome, they undergoes more than one crossing over in every meiosis. In these four options, the correct answer is second option. The genes are tightly linked. The genes present on same chromosome shows linkage, and if these genes are present near to each other, these will be tightly linked so that these genes never show crossing over and 50% of recombination frequency. Second question, if two persons with AB blood group marry and have sufficiently large number of children, these children could be classified as A blood group, AB blood group and B blood group in 1:2:1 ratio. Modern techniques of protein electrophoresis reveals presence of the both A and B type protein in AB blood group individuals. This is an example of from 2013. First option, codominance. Second option, incomplete dominance. Third option, partial dominance. And fourth option, complete dominance. In this, the correct answer is first option, codominance. So, when conducting a cross in between the two persons with AB blood group, and after cross, so out of four individuals, one is A blood group and two are with AB blood group and one is with B blood group, shows 1:2:1 as a phenotypic and genotypic ratio. The third question, which Mendelian idea is desiccated by a cross in which the F1 generation resembles both the parents from NEET 2013? First option, incomplete dominance. Second option, law of dominance. Third option, inheritance of one gene. Fourth option, codominance. The correct answer is codominance, fourth option. Due to codominance, the law of dominance is dissipated and F1 hybrid resembles both the parents is called codominance phenomenon. The F1 hybrid can express both parent character in case of codominance. Question number 4. The incorrect statement with regarding to hemophilia is from NEET 2013. First option, it is a sex-linked disease. Second option, it is a recessive disease. Third option, it is a dominant disease. And fourth option, a single protein involved in the clotting of blood is affected. Out of these four options, the correct answer is third one. Third one is incorrect for hemophilia, because the hemophilia is the defected allele with a recessive condition located on X chromosome and it never produces blood clotting factors and causes hemophilia. Question number 5. If both parents are carrier for thalassemia, which is an autosomal recessive disorder, what are the chances of a pregnancy resulting in an affected child from NEET 2013. First option, there is no chance for thalassemia. Second option, 50%. Third option, 25%. And fourth option, 100%. The correct answer is third option, 25%. So thalassemia is an autosome linked recessive disorder, and carrier thalassemia are represented by capital A, small a. So by conducting a cross in between two carriers, so out of 4 individual, only one individual, that means 25% individuals are affected with thalassemia. Question number 6. In test cross involving in F1 dihybrid flies, more parental type offsprings were produced than these their recombinants type offsprings. This indicates it is from NEET 2016 phase 1. First option, both of the characters are controlled by more than one gene. Second option, the two genes are located on two different chromosomes. Third option, chromosomes fail to separate during meiosis. And fourth option, the two genes are linked and present on the same chromosome. The correct answer is fourth option. The two genes are linked and present on same chromosome so that more parental combination and less recombinants are produced. So in a dihybrid test cross of Drosophila, due to linkage of genes, more parental combinations are produced than less recombinants are produced. Question number 7. Which of the most appropriately describes hemophilia is? It is from NEET 2016 phase 1. First option, the dominant gene disorder. Second option, recessive gene disorder. Third option, X-linked recessive gene disorder. And fourth option, chromosomal disorder. The correct answer is third option. So hemophilia is a X-linked recessive gene disorder. Hemophilia caused by defected allele with recessive condition, and it is located on X chromosome so that it is a X-linked recessive disorder. Question number 8. A tall true breeding garden pea plant is crossed with a dwarf true breeding garden pea plant. When F1 plant was selfed, the result phenotype were the ratio of is from NEET 2016 phase 1. The first option, 3:1 dwarf and tall, 1:2:1 tall homozygous, tall heterozygous, dwarf. Third option, 1:2:1 tall heterozygous, tall homozygous, dwarf. And fourth option, 3:1 tall and dwarf. So in this question, we have to identify the correct genotype. The correct answer is second option. So by conducting a cross in between true breeding, tall and dwarf, and then the F1 hybrid is self-pollinated. So in F2 generation, so homozygous tall plants are produced with one number, heterozygous tall with 2, and homozygous recessive dwarf is 1, 1:2:1. Question number 9. Matching from NEET 2016 phase 1. So column 1, column 2. In column 1, dominance, B, codominance, C, pleiotropy, D, polygenic inheritance. In column 2, many genes governs a single character. 2. In a heterozygous organism, only one allele express itself. Third one, in heterozygous organisms, both alleles express itself. Fourth one, a single gene influence many characters. So in this, the correct matching is third option. So dominance means in a heterozygous organism, only one allele will be express itself. Pleiotropy, a single gene influence many characters. Codominance, in a heterozygous organism, both allele express itself. Polygenic inheritance means many genes governs a single character. Question number 10. Pick out the correct statement from NEET 2016 phase 1. Statement A. Hemophilia is a sex-linked recessive disease. Statement B. Down syndrome is due to aneuploidy. Statement C. Phenylketonuria is an autosomal recessive gene disorder. Statement D. Sickle cell anemia is an X-linked recessive genetic disorder. In this, the correct statements are 1, A, B and C. So D is a wrong statement because the sickle cell anemia is an autosome linked recessive disorder. Question number 11. The mechanism that causes a gene to move from one linkage group to another is from NEET 2016 phase 2. First option translocation, second option crossing over, third option inversion, fourth option duplication. The correct answer is first option translocation. During translocation, some genes present in one linkage group, it is nothing but chromosome, are transferred to another chromosome. Question number 12. A true breeding plant is from NEET 2016 phase 2. First option, near homozygous and produce offsprings of its own kind. Second option, always homozygous recessive in its genetic constitute. Option 3, one that is able to breed on its own. Fourth option, produced due to cross pollination among unrelated plants. In this, the correct answer is first option because a true breeding plant always present in homozygous condition. It may be dominant form or in recessive form and can produce offsprings of its own kind. That is the correct answer for this question. Question number 13. If a colorblind man marries a woman who is homozygous for normal color vision, the probability of their son being colorblind is. It is from NEET 2016 phase 2. The first option 0.75, second option 1, third option 0, fourth option 0.5. The correct answer is third option. There is no colorblind sons. Percentage 0. Man with colorblind have defective allele on X chromosome and it is transfers to one of his daughter only. But in that daughter, another X chromosome which is claimed from mother is normal so that she becomes carrier and there is no affected progeny for this couple. Question number 14. Thalassemia and sickle cell anemia are caused due to a problem in globin molecule synthesis. Select the correct statement. It is from NEET 2017. The first option is both are due to quantitative defect in globin chain synthesis. Second option, thalassemia is due to less synthesis of globin molecule. Third option, sickle cell anemia is due to a quantitative problem of globin molecule. And fourth option, both are due to qualitative defect in globin chain synthesis. The correct answer is second option. Thalassemia is due to less synthesis of globin molecules. In thalassemia, it is caused due to less synthesis of any one of the polypeptide chain in hemoglobin molecule that leads to excess of other may cause and either alpha chain or beta chain defect and it causes thalassemia. Question number 15. The genotype of husband and wife respectively capital IA, capital IB and capital IA small I. Among the blood types of their children, how many different genotype and phenotypes are possible is from NEET 2017. The first option 3 genotypes and 4 phenotypes. Second option 4 genotypes and 3 phenotypes. Third option 4 genotypes and 4 phenotypes. Fourth option 3 genotypes and 3 phenotypes. The correct answer is second option 4 genotypes and 3 phenotypes. So in a cross in between AB blood group and A with the capital IA, capital IB and capital IA small I. So after completion of cross, totally 4 type of genotypes capital IA, capital IA, capital IB, capital IB, capital IA small I, capital IB small I are formed, and this becomes into 4 genotypes, can becomes into 3 phenotypes like A blood group, B blood group and AB blood group. Question number 16. A disease caused by an autosomal primary non-disjunction is from NEET 2017. The first option Klinefelter syndrome, second option Turner syndrome, third option sickle cell anemia, fourth option Down syndrome. The correct answer is fourth option Down syndrome. So Down syndrome is caused due to autosomal, it is 21st chromosome primary non-disjunction. Question number 17. Which one from these given below is the period for Mendel's hybridization experiment from NEET 2017? First option 1840 to 1850, second option 1850 to 57 to 1869, third option 1870 to 1877 and fourth option 1856 to 1863. The correct answer is fourth option. So Gregor Mendel conducted hybridization experiments on Gordon P for 7 years in between 1856 to 1863 and proposed the laws of inheritance in living organisms. Question number 18. Select the correct statement from NEET 2018. The first option, Franklin Stahl coined the term linkage. Second option, Punnett square was developed by British scientist. Third option, spliceosomes take part in translation. And fourth option, transduction was discovered by S. Altman. In this, the correct statement is second option, that is a Punnett square was developed by a British scientist. The production of gametes by the parents and the formation of the zygotes, the F1 and F2 plants can be understood from a diagram called Punnett square. It was developed by a British genetic scientist Reginald C. Punnett, and it is a graphical representation to calculate the probability of all possible genotypes of offsprings in a genetic cross. Question number 19. Which of the following pair is wrongly matched? It is from NEET 2018. The first option, start synthesis in P, is example for multiple alleles. Second option, ABO blood grouping is example for codominance. Option 3, XO type of sex determination, example for grasshopper. And fourth option, TH Morgan linkage. In this 4, the first one is incorrectly matched pair because ABO blood group is a good example for multiple allelism, having more than 2 alleles for a gene. Question number 20. Which of the following characteristics represents inheritance of blood group in human? It is from NEET 2018. First statement, A, dominance, B, codominance, C, multiple allelism, and D, incomplete dominance, E, polygenic inheritance. In this, we have to identify the correct one related to blood groups. The correct answer is second option, A, B, C. So A blood group and B blood group shows dominance phenomenon. AB blood group shows codominance, and human blood grouping gene has 3 alleles, capital IA, capital IB and I or small I is example for multiple alleles. Question number 21. A woman has an X-linked condition on one of her X chromosome. This chromosome can be inherited by from NEET 2018. The first option, only daughters. Second option, only sons. Third option, only grandchildren. And fourth option, both son and daughters. The correct answer is fourth option. A woman with an X-linked condition on one of her X chromosome, it can be inherited to several generations by both sons and daughters. Question number 22. What map unit centimorgan is adapted in the construction of genetic maps? It is from NEET 2019 phase 1. First option, a unit of distance between two expressed genes representing 10% crossing over. Second option, a unit of distance between two expressed genes representing 100% crossing over. Third option, a unit of distance between genes on chromosomes representing 1% crossing over. Fourth option, a unit of distance between genes on chromosomes representing 50% crossing over. In this, the correct answer is third option, that is a unit of distance between two genes on a chromosome. It always represents 1% crossing over. A unit of distance between genes on chromosome representing 1% crossing over and is equal to 1 centimorgon. It is used to construct chromosomal maps. Question number 23. What is the genetic disorder in which an individual has an overall masculine development, gynecomastia, and is sterile? It is from NEET 2019 phase 1. First option, Turner syndrome. Second option, Klinefelter syndrome. Third option, Edwards syndrome. Fourth option, Down syndrome. The correct answer is second option, Klinefelter syndrome. Klinefelter syndrome is a genetic disorder, is also caused due to the presence of an additional copy of X chromosome, it resulting in a karyotype of 47. It is XXY. Such an individual has overall masculine development. However, the feminine development is called development of breast is a gynecomastia and is expressed. Such individuals are sterile in nature. Question number 24. So, which of the following muscular disease is inherited? First option, tetany. Second option, muscular dystrophy. Third option, myasthenia gracia. And fourth option, botulism. The correct answer is muscular dystrophy. Muscular dystrophy is autosome linked muscular disorder. Question number 25. The frequency of recombination between gene pair on the same chromosome or measure of the distance between genes was explained by is from NEET 2019 phase 1. First option, T.H. Morgan. Second option, Gregor Johann Mendel. Third option, Alfred Sturtevant. Fourth option, Sutton Boveri. The correct answer is third option. So Alfred Sturtevant used the frequency of recombination between gene pairs on the same chromosome as a measure of the distance between genes and mapped their position on X chromosome and chromosomes and constructed chromosomal maps. Question number 26. In Antirrhinum snapdragon, a red flower was crossed with a white flower and in F1 generation, pink flowers were obtained. When pink flowers are self, the F2 generation showed white, red, pink flowers. Choose the incorrect statement from the following. It is from NEET 2019 phase 1. So first option, the experiment does not follow the principle of dominance. Second option, the pink color is F1 is due to incomplete dominance. Third option, the ratio of F2 is 1 by 4 red, 2 by 4 pink, 1 by 4 white. Fourth option, law of segregation does not apply in this experiment. In this, the incorrect statement is fourth option. In Antirrhinum snapdragon, the flower color expressed by capital R and small r allele. In this, law of dominance is not applicable, but law of segregation is applicable. Question number 27. Select the incorrect statement from NEET 2019 phase 1. First option, male fruit fly is a heterogamety. Second option, in male grasshopper, 50% of sperms have no X chromosome. Third option, in domesticated fowls, the sex of progeny depends on the type of sperm rather than egg. Fourth option, human males have one of their sex chromosome much shorter than other. In this, the incorrect statement is third option. Because in false birds, the sex determination is ZZ, ZW method and it is a female heterogamety so that The sex determination in progeny, it always depends on the nature of female gametes. Question number 28. Match the following. It is from NEET 2019 Phase 2. In column 1, A. XXXO method of sex determination. B. XXXY method of sex determination. C. Karyotype 45. D. ZZZW method of sex determination. In column 2, 1. Turner syndrome. 2. Female heterogamety. And 3. Grasshopper. And 4. Female homogamety. In this, the correct matching is third option, because XXXO method of sex determination seen in grasshopper. In XXXY method of sex determination, the female always homogametic in nature. The karyotype 45 seen in Turner syndrome in the form of 44 plus X0, and ZZZW method of sex determination is in this female always heterogamety. Question number 29. In a marriage between male with blood group A and female with blood group B, the progeny had either blood group AB or B. What would be the possible genotype of parents? It is from NEET 2019 Phase 2. First option, capital IA small I male, capital IB female. Option 2, capital IA male, capital IB female. Third option, capital IA male, capital IB small I female. And fourth option, capital IA small I and capital IB small I female. So in this, the correct parental combination, it be first option. The father with heterozygous A blood group and mother with homozygous B blood group, it is the only possible is there to get either AB or B blood group in progeny. Question number 30. In which genetic condition each cell in the affected person have 3 sex chromosomes XXY? It is from NEET 2019 Phase 2. The first option, thalassemia. Second option, Klinefelter syndrome. Third option, phenylketonuria. Fourth option, Turner syndrome. The correct answer is second option, Klinefelter syndrome. In Klinefelter syndrome, it is a genetic disorder. It is caused due to presence of an additional copy of X chromosome and karyotype become 47. In this, 44 plus XXY. Question number 31. The production of gametes by the parents, the formation of zygotes, the F1 and F2 plants can be understood using. It is from NEET 2019 Phase 2. First option, pie diagram. Second option, a pyramid diagram. Third option, Punnett square. Fourth option, Venn diagram. The correct answer is third option, Punnett square. The production of gametes by the parents and the formation of zygotes, the F1 and F2 plants can be understood from a diagram. It is called Punnett square method, developed by Reginald C. Punnett. Question number 32. Identify the wrong statement with reference to the gene capital I that controls ABO blood groups. It is from NEET 2020 Phase 1. First option, a person will have only 2 of their 3 alleles. Second option, when capital IA and capital IB are present together, they express same type of sugar. And option 3, allele small I does not produce any sugar. And fourth option, the gene capital I has 3 alleles. In this, the wrong statement is second option. When capital IA and capital IB are present together, they both will be express their own type of sugar. That means 2 type of sugars, and this is because of codominance. Hence, the red blood cells have both A and B type of sugars. Question number 33. The experimental verification of chromosomal theory of inheritance was done by. It is from NEET 2020 Phase 1. Option 1, Sutton. Option 2, Boveri. Option 3, Morgan. Option 4, Mendel. The correct answer is third option, Morgan. The experimental verification of chromosomal theory of inheritance is given by Thomas Hunt Morgan and his colleagues that leads to discovery the basis of variation that sexual reproduction produced. Question number 34. Select the correct matching. It is from NEET 2020 Phase 1. First option, phenylketonuria, autosomal dominant trait. Second option, sickle cell anemia, autosomal recessive trait, chromosome 11. Option 3, thalassemia, X-linked. And option 4, hemophilia, Y-linked. In this, the correct matching is second option. So, phenylketonuria, it is an autosomal recessive trait. Thalassemia is autosome linked. And sickle cell anemia is autosome recessive trait on chromosome 11. Hemophilia is X-linked disorder. Question number 35. How many true breeding pea plants did Mendel selected as pairs which are similar except in one character with contrasting trait? It is from NEET 2020 Phase 1. Option 1, 2. Option 2, 14. Option 3, 8. Option 4, 4. The correct answer is second option. Mendel selected 14 true breeding pea plant varieties as pairs were similar except for one character with contrasting traits. Question number 36. How many true breeding pea plants did Mendel selected as a pair which were similar except one contrasting trait? So same question is repeated here. And the next question, chromosomal theory of inheritance was proposed by. It is from NEET 2020 Phase 2. First option, Sutton and Bovary. Second option, Batson and Punnett. Third option, T.H. Morgan. Fourth option, Watson and Crick. The correct answer is first option. So Walter Sutton and Theodore Bovary noted that the behavior of chromosome was parallel to behavior of gene and used chromosomal movement to explain Mendel's laws and proposed chromosomal theory of inheritance. The question number 38. The number of contrasting characters studied by Mendel for his experiment was. It is from NEET 2020 Phase 2. First option 14, second option 4, third option 2 and fourth option 7. The correct answer is fourth option 7. So Mendel selected 7 contrasting characters in pea plant for his experiment like stem height, flower color, flower position, pod shape, pod color, seed shape and seed color. Question number 39. The best example for pleiotropy is. It is from NEET 2020 Phase 2. First option, skin color. Second option, phenylketonuria. Third option, color blindness. And fourth option, ABO blood group. The correct answer is second option, phenylketonuria. So one of the most widely cited example of pleiotropy in human is phenylketonuria. This disorder is caused by deficiency of an enzyme. It is phenylalanine hydroxylase, which is necessary to convert these essential amino acid phenylalanine into tyrosine. So these are the NEET previous year questions from NEET examination from Principles of Inheritance and Variation Genetics chapter. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, subscribe my channel and like, share my videos to your students and friends.